The question we are solving now belongs to test series 2. It is of network theory subject. In specific, it belongs to sinusoidal steady state analysis. As per the question, there is a periodic waveform shown in the figure. The waveform is periodic with a period of 2 seconds, and the waveform from t equal to 0 to 2 seconds is a ramp with negative slope from t is equal to 0 to t equal to 2, and the same pattern repeats for every period. Please note that the magnitude of the waveform varies between 2 volts and 4 volts. We need to find the DC content in the waveform shown here. Please note that the DC content V average can be written as 1 by T integral 0 to T V of T dt, where capital T is the time period of the signal. We know that integral 0 to T V of T dt can be written as area of V of T with time axis. So as a whole, V average can be written as 1 by 2 multiplied by the area A. So from the given waveform, we see that the area A constitutes two parts. The part 1 is a triangle, that is the region marked, and the part 2 is a rectangle, which is the other region marked. From this we see that V average can be written as 1 by 2 times A1 plus A2. From the given figure we can say that A1 can be written as half multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is the area of the triangle, plus A2, which is 2 multiplied by 2. So this upon simplification becomes half multiplied by 2 plus 4, that is equal to 3. So from this we can see that the DC content in the waveform is 3 volts. Hence, the correct option representing the DC content of the waveform is C.